In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure a report in Pipedrive. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Pipedrive, creating a report that effectively displays your sales data is crucial. Let's jump right in and walk through the entire process, step by step, ensuring you can confidently manage your reports. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to pipedrive.com. This is where all of your reporting magic will happen. Once there, look towards the upper right side of your screen. You should see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Enter your registered email and password in the respective fields and hit the login button to access your Pipedrive dashboard. Now that you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the pipeline page. This is essentially where all the action begins. Next, locate the Insights tab in the main navigation bar. It's usually situated somewhere near the top, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. Click on Insights to get started on creating your report. Once inside the Insights section, look for the Create button. This button is typically prominently displayed as it's your gateway to generating various analytical tools. Clicking this will present you with a few options. For our purposes, we want to create a report, so select the Report option from the list. This helps you consolidate information in a structured format. With that done, you'll need to select an entity for your report. Pipedrive allows you to choose from several entity types, like deals, activities, or products. Choose the one that aligns with the data you're most interested in analyzing. Following this, you'll have to select the type of report you want to generate. Options might vary, so pick one that best captures the insights you're seeking. After making your selections, proceed by clicking the Continue button. This will lead you to a customization screen where you can work around your report. Take this time to adjust filters according to your needs. Filter settings allow you to drill down into specifics, offering a tailored analysis of your dataset. Once you're done shaping your report to your liking, it's important to save your work. Look for the Save button, often located at the top right corner of the screen, and click it. You'll be prompted to enter a title for your report. Make it descriptive enough so that you can easily identify its contents later on. Finally, confirm your settings by clicking Save once more, and there you have it. You've just configured a detailed report in Pipedrive, empowering you with insights that cater precisely